guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. Today's vlog is, I don't really want to say a meal prep because it's really not. I am just washing our fruits and vegetables that we had gotten the day before, and then also later I will be doing what we are having for dinner. And right here I had just washed the little meal prep containers that I had gotten from Kroger, and now I am drying them. And you will be seeing me use those a little bit later to put my salad in for the next few days. I used to be one of those people that washed our vegetables and our fruits and stuff like that as soon as I got them to have them prepped and ready for us whenever we wanted to eat them, so we didn't have to wash them as we ate them. And then I stopped, and I have recently started doing it again because I realized that I am just going to admit it, I am a lazy person. And even though it doesn't take much effort to get something out and clean it before you eat it, I have found that we don't eat the fruits and vegetables if they are not already pre-washed and ready to go for us to eat. So I have started back up doing that. If you are somebody that finds themselves not eating their vegetables or fruits that they have bought, try this if you don't already, because it does, I don't know why, but it does work, just to have them already ready, just so it's quick, easy, ready to go. You just grab it out of the refrigerator. These are the pre-washed carrots. Sometimes I do go ahead and wash them again, but sometimes I do not. On this particular day, I did go ahead and re-wash them. what they got for lunch. They got some turkey slices, some carrots, and some wheat thins. And then whoever wants ranch with their carrots or peanut butter. That's normally what they eat, is either ranch or peanut butter. So that is what they are having for lunch. So right here I am fixing my salads for the next couple of days. I use spinach, strawberries, blueberries, and feta cheese, and then I do a strawberry vinaigrette dressing on top, and it is so good. If you like those things, you should definitely try the salad. You can also add different things like any kind of nuts that you like, pecans, almonds, or even some mandarin oranges, or if you want to add some protein to it, you can do some chicken, and it is so good. So here I am making dinner. On this particular night, we had potatoes that I cut up and baked, and also creamed corn, and I fixed the kids some chicken nuggets, and I ate a salad. So what I do when I'm going grocery shopping is I will sit down and I will make a list of what we are going to have for dinner each night. But I have recently started not only doing planning out our week for dinners, but also for breakfast and lunch, and it has been so great. I don't know why, but like I said earlier, I am a lazy person, so when it comes to food for breakfast or lunch and dinner, I hate going into the kitchen and looking in the pantry and refrigerator and trying to figure out what we're going to have. So this has been so great. I have it on the side of the refrigerator so even the kids can get up and see what we are having each day for every meal, including snack. So it has been just so nice. I wake up in the morning, look at the menu, and see, okay, they're going to have either yogurt or oatmeal or cereal or toast or whatever we're going to have that morning. And then they have a snack, and then they have lunch, and then they have dinner, and it's all written down. I don't have to think about it. I just go to the pantry and get whatever they're going to have for that particular meal. So I would recommend doing that if you don't already. So after I've gotten them all cut up, I add just a little bit of oil and then just a pinch of salt, and then I toss them all together just to make sure they are fully coated with oil and salt. So then I put them in the oven. I have the oven set to 455. And then at first I bake them for 30 minutes, and then I will take them out, as you will see in a little bit later, and turn them over and then put them in the oven for, I think it was 15 minutes longer. So they bake for a total of 45 minutes. I will say that normally when I do baked potatoes, I will bake them on 455 for an hour. And then I will get aluminum foil, put butter on the bottom of the aluminum foil, and then all over the potato, cut a slice on top of the potato and put some butter on that and sprinkle some salt and wrap them up really good in the aluminum foil. And they are great. They get out very tender, I guess you would say, like soft. But with these, since they aren't in aluminum foil and don't have butter all over them, I would suggest probably bumping down the temperature of the oven, just because these did start to stick together. I feel like they cooked great and they tasted great. It was just, I think the oven was a little bit too hot. Here I am starting on the cream corn. With my cream corn, I add some just regular corn and then also the sweet cream corn, and then I put just a little bit of butter, and you just cook it until it is warm. So that is all. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family and to come along with us on this journey. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.